Hello and welcome to my Monday forecast. So let's get right into looking at the euro. After we opened on Monday, so today actually what we got a pullback, then we broke the high, broke the low, and then we got some small momentum to the upside. Then we paused, got a continuation of the momentum, and this does look good, but it was not enough for me to look for any trades. So I wanted to wait for a bit more. After that, we got a small pullback. We broke the high, retraced, broke the high and got large momentum. So we did have this small ascending right here, but the overall picture currently to me, it looks like that the euro is trending to the upside. So because we have no shift in momentum in any of the pullbacks, so no shift right here, no shift right here, no shift right here, and this impulse looks really good, looks really clean, and I do currently have a pending long order, but I do need to see what happens. It all depends on how we close and if we get a continuation of the momentum or if we get a pullback. So what I would like to see is a combo to the bullet entry, or maybe we get some continuation, then I would look for a bomb trade. We can also get a V reversal from here, which would signal to me ranging price action. Also, what can happen is we can get an impulse pullback, another impulse, look for a bullet trade, or we can just get an ascending from here and drop the downside. Then I would look for a bomb short or a bullet short. Also, what can happen is a descending from this point. Then I would look for an impulse to the upside, look for a trade. But yeah, currently the euro is trending to the upside, and I am looking to get in on a long trade. So we will see what happens. It all depends on how we close and what the pullback looks like. And also what I can say, if we do close with a wick right here, I would need to see a range. Then I would look for a long trade to go to the upside, because we know that a wick signals either a range or a reversal. So now let's look at the Aussie. So what we had was, after the open, we had a pullback, push to the downside. There was an opportunity to enter a short trade here, but I didn't enter because I saw this huge wick. And to me, this wasn't enough of a strong candle plus the huge wick in order to enter a short trade. Before that, so the prior price action, we were trending to the downside. So I was looking for a short trade, but this didn't fit my plan. But then we broke the low, got some really nice momentum, got a huge wick also. But here, to me, I really like this momentum. And because of the huge wick, I wanted to see a combo trade, or maybe a range and then a bomb trade. And what we actually got is we got a combo trade. So we broke the high, then we got the pullback and broke the high again. So I entered a combo short right here, and it fit my plan 100%. I really like the trade. So this wick was negated because we got this combo to the entry. Unfortunately, it was a loss, so the probabilities are currently playing out, and this was a loss, but it fit my plan 100%, and I would take it again, definitely. And currently what I can see is that we broke the low, got a huge wick, went to the upside, broke the high, retraced with a huge wick. To me, this is actually signaling a range. So I need to see some more momentum and some better price action on the Aussie to be looking for any trade. What I would like to see is a continuation of this impulse. Then I would look for a bomb trade or a bullet reversal trade. So this would be a very high probability because we do have, let's say, a descending channel right here. We know that the Aussie likes to trend correctively. So actually, I do classify this as a descending channel. And if we have some momentum to the upside, I would look for a bullish reversal trade, as I said. But if we close like this, we can just get a range between the low and the high. Or maybe we will get a push, pull back another push. I would look for a bullet long trade right here. This will be very high probability to me. What can also happen, we can drop to the downside. And if we get really nice momentum and some really nice conviction, I would look for a trade. What I would really like to see is that we drop to the downside, get a pullback, another impulse to the downside, then I would look for a bullet short trade. So yeah, those are some of the possibilities that I am waiting on for Aussie to see. And now let's take a look at the last pair, so the Aussie and Japanese yen. What I can see right here is that we were descending, so we were breaking the lows, retracing with these large wicks. This is not signaling to me any trend. This is just a very clear descending structure because of we are just breaking. We got a huge wick, retrace. So broke, wick, retrace, broke, got a huge wick and a retrace, but then we got some momentum. So right here on this candle, I got really interested. I didn't enter on a bullet short right here because first it didn't reach the inside bar. So I trade only on the, so not only, but I trade the inside bar level. So I need to see the price reach the inside bar, then I would enter a short trade. But even if it did reach the inside bar, it didn't fit my plan because I wanted to see more of an impulse. I wanted to see some more momentum as we were just breaking the lows and retracing, signaling more of a descending than a trend to the downside. But then what again got my interest is that we broke the low, got momentum, really nice momentum, got a really nice push. To me, this is a really nice push and I really do like it. After that, we got a huge wick. So after I saw that huge wick, what I wanted to see is either a combo or a range and a bomb trade. So I was looking either a combo, which is this, or I would have also liked to see a bomb trade with a range inside. And we did get a combo. So we broke the high, got a pullback, broke the high again. I set my pending order at the inside bar, so right here, 2 pips below the inside bar, so right here, and got tagged in on this candle. So it was a very, very high probability trade, in my opinion, because I know that combos work very, very good on the Aussie Japanese yen, especially when we are trending. And to me, this is a trend. So I did take a loss right here, but these are the probabilities playing out, so this will happen. It's just a 1% loss, so nothing big. But yeah, so what I can forecast right here, currently we are still in a downtrend because we haven't broken the high. So the status of this pair to me is that it's trending down. What I would like to see is a push to downside, look for a bomb, or a push to downside, pull back another push, look for a bullet short. This will be very, very high probability. We can just break the high, retrace, and get a range. So that is a possibility. Or we can get a nice impulse to the upside. So then this would be a bullet reversal or a bomb reversal trade, because we are actually seeing a larger descending. As I said, the Aussie pairs like to trend correctly, so I do classify it also as a descending. And if we break the high, that would be a nice opportunity to enter on a bullet reversal trade, but I need to see some clear momentum. What can also happen is that we can just get this ascending structure, then break up the low, look for a bomb trade, or we can get a descending structure from here, look for the break of the high, nice momentum, a good impulse, and then a bomb trade or a bullet, a long trade. So yeah, that's it. for my forecast, we are having some movement this Monday, and I am looking for entries, and so I do expect to see some trends because we have finally started to either trend or move descendingly or ascendingly. We need to see what happens tomorrow and the rest of the week. We know that Mondays and Tuesdays are predominantly range bound, so maybe we will get even some more movement on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So that's it for the forecast, and I will see you in the next one.